Welcome to the release highlights for Okta's Workforce Identity Cloud. We will go over new generally available features and early access new features. Let's get started. Generally available features. Enhanced disaster recovery. This feature enables commercial customers in the North America region, excluding compliance cells, to recover faster in the event of a disaster or regional outage. Admin sessions bound to autonomous system number. When an admin signs into Okta, their session is now associated with the ASN they are logging in from. If the ASN changes during the session, the admin is signed out of Okta and an event appears in the system log. Admin sessions bound to IP address. The organization security page has a new IP binding for admin console setting. When you enable this setting, all of the admin sessions in your org are associated with the system IP address. If the IP address changes during the session, the admin is signed out of Okta and an event appears in the system log. Permission conditions for profile attributes. You can now apply conditions to the view users and their details and edit users' profile attributes' custom admin role permissions. Permission conditions help you limit the scope of a role by including or excluding admins' access to individual profile attributes. This gives you more granular control over your custom admin roles and helps meet your org's unique security needs. Enhanced security of Okta Verify enrollments. The higher security methods option on the Authenticator configuration page ensures that users enroll in Okta Verify in a phishing-resistant manner. With this option, users can't enroll with QR code, email, or SMS link. Improved password reset process for Active Directory sourced users. The password reset process sends password update and verification requests to the same Active Directory agent to avoid replication delay. New requirement for email customizations. To prevent phishing attacks, Okta now requires orgs to have a custom domain to send customized emails. All customized emails currently sent from the Okta domain are disabled, and orgs that use the Okta domain can send default email templates only. Cornerstone On Demand now uses OAuth for authentication. Cornerstone On Demand replaced the previous authentication method with OAuth authentication to improve security for provisioning. Create a new Cornerstone On Demand app instance and configure it to use OAuth credentials. Let's wrap up with a look at early access features. Direct end user settings access. Users may now access their settings page through a direct URL in addition to the end user dashboard. This feature provides convenience and security for users, gives admins greater flexibility when working with end user dashboard access control scenarios, and includes accessibility and UX improvements. Enforce number challenge for desktop MFA. You can now enforce number challenge on all push notifications for desktop MFA regardless of the authentication policy. Realms for Workforce. Realms allows you to unlock greater flexibility in managing and delegating management of your distinct user populations within a single Okta org. Trusted App Filters. Trusted App Filters allow orgs to block applications from invoking Okta FastPass in Windows and in Google Chrome and Firefox browsers for macOS. Google Workspace One-Click Federation. Admins can set up SSO to Google Workspace using a simplified integration experience that saves time and reduces the risk of errors. Thanks for viewing the release highlights for Okta's Workforce Identity Cloud. For additional details, please visit the Okta release notes and product notes links, which can be found in the video description.